Namaskar. Today, the 19th December, we are having this seminar on Shur o Srishti. Shur. What is Shur? And what is Srishti? Shur, as this is the advanced approach towards music in this third session. Shur means which bring different kind of feeling, sensation. Of course, with the help of different notes. See, this is the tanpura, electronic, and this is the acoustic tambura. And for this seminar, I have Sri Anol Chatterjee, who is very known to all of you in Kharagpur, and Devjit Potitundi. And as this is the final session, let me convey my special regards to our respected Director Sahab, Virender Kumar Tiwari ji, Dr. Pallab Dajgupta ji, Dr. Priyadarshi Patnaik ji, Dr. Professor Joy Shen ji, Anandarup Bhattacharya ji, Professor Arnav Roy ji, and all the senior and junior professors, technologists, students, office members, and all the members of IIT Kharagpur. Before I go to the question answer session in this third session, question answer part, I would like to explain in detail for the advanced students that what exactly our Academy of Classical and Folk Music will serve for the cause of the students of IIT Kharagpur. Not the students, everybody who are connected with IIT Kharagpur. Here I kept 5 points. One is designing and painting on air through music. You know that the subject I am discussing, everything is known to everybody. But the way I am trying to explain it, it's completely new. Because this is Shruti Nandan process. Shruti Nandan process is old wine in new bottle. Old great masters who have contributed a lot, actually whole credit goes to them. But the thinking process, the research angle of thinking, to think all the traditional things in a scientific process, in a truthful process through which we want to see the music in detail, is really new in Shruti Nandan concept. You know, Shruti Nandan is the name of an institution, but I know that Shruti Nandan is nothing but Indian music. SHRUTINANDAN, 12 letters or 12 notes. And it starts at sa, ends at ni, sa to ni, that whole octave is there. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa dha da ni ni, 12 notes are there. And if you can master 12 notes, you know the whole world of music. World of music, any form of music, any genre of music is confined in these 12 notes. But not factorial 12 only. Factorial 7 is 5040, 5040. And factorial 8 is 5040 into 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. You will find a mathematical number, but music is much beyond that, unlimited. So that thing is sur. Combination gives you, develops your intelligence. But combination with aesthetic sense, combination with your inner vision, developed through your inner vision, makes music, makes sur. That means sagapa, this is swar. Sagapa, this is sur. If I sing Gama Padani, you sing the music.
Gama Padani,
Gama Padani, another sur.
Gama Padani,
Gama Padani. Of course, this is mathematically not Gama Padani, because mathematics is limited. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. But advanced mathematics can prove that 2 plus 2 is not 4, something else. 2 goats and 2 dogs cannot make 4. So how mathematics can be understood? Ga. This is a relationship with sa and ga. Ga ma pa dha ni pa dha ma dha ni pa. This is sur and srishti as well. Why srishti? Now I will explain it. But before that, let me clarify that which are the 5 things I am going to describe. Designing and painting on air through music, how to develop different genre of Indian music like khayal, thumri, bhajan, film songs, raga-based Bengali songs, popular songs, etc., through the learning of raga music. We omitted Drupad. Drupad should also be included. Difference between Western composer and Indian composer. This is point number 3. Point number 4, understanding of lyric and its connection with melody. कविता के साथ सुर की मिलन, कविता के साथ सुर की मिलन। गुरुजी बोलते थे कि लिरिक के साथ म्यूजिक का जब शादी होता है और उस पर जब लय जब पृष्ठ बन के रहता है, तब सबसे अच्छा शादी होता है, सबसे अच्छा मैरिज वही होता है। Number 4, understanding of lyric and its connection with melody. Number 5, understanding of time and its use in unique cyclic tal system of Indian music. Number 1, designing and painting on air through music. Designing. To do all these things, you have to learn raga music. Otherwise, you will not understand these 5 points at all. Why raga music? Because keeping the 5th note relationship, that means 2 pillars of a family or 2 pillars of a building, जिसको हम बोलते हैं बाद संवाद. It is also there in Western music. We call it harmony. It's scientifically proved that if the frequency of sa is 200, the frequency of pa is 300, and the frequency of upper sa is 400. So lower sa is 200, upper sa is 400. If you play together, it makes one note. And third nearest simple multiplication में है pa. See, this is called harmony. Harmony means friendship. So, दोस्ती एक आदमी को बड़ा बनाता है. Am I right or wrong? Dosti. In raga music, this is essential to have Vad Sambad. Normally we call it Vadi Sambadi Swar. This is not very scientifically understood. But Vad Sambad means fifth note relationship. Fifth note relationship. Either Sapa or Masa. Sa re ga ma pa or ma pa da ni sa. So Masa or Sapa. When I call it Sapa, it's Vad Sambad or Masa. So this relationship is a must to learn a rag, to explain a rag, to make you understand a rag. Any rag, you just name. And after this lecture, you must have a note to ask me if you have any contradiction of thinking. You may have. And you ask me. I am ready to answer to all the questions made by you. Any question, you just ask me. I am there to answer you. Because I am the servant of Indian music. मालिक क्या करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, नौकर को सबसे अच्छा मालूम होता है. नौकर को मालूम करना पड़ता है कि मालिक अभी चाय पियेंगे, मालिक को अभी तो चिकन पकौड़ा चाहिए. किसी को मालूम नहीं है, केवल नौकर को मालूम है. तो एज ए सर्वेंट ऑफ रागा म्यूजिक एंड इंडियन म्यूजिक, आई एम देयर टू सर्व ऑल ऑफ यू, टू मेक यू सेटिस्फाइड through any question you like regarding raga music. So painting में ये दो पिलर चाहिए. सा तो पा, दोनों पिलर एक बिल्डिंग को पुख्त बनाता है, सॉलिड बनाता है. इसी तरह अगर राग यमन लीजिएगा, ने रे गा तो नियन गा. Why niyan ga? Ni sa re ga is fourth note. No. Ga ne ga ma pa da ni fifth note. So Gani is Vad Sambad of Yaman, and also Sa and Pa. Sa pa re da is also fifth note relation, but re dha we don't have any stoppage, passing note. So this is of course a Vad Sambad, but not under the control of Yaman Rag. And also Nema, it's also first note, fifth note. No. Nema, this is the Vad Sambad of Rag Puriya. But in Yaman, it's Gani or Sapa, both the notes are so important that Rag Yaman is dependent on these two combinations. Father-mother relationship, parents of this Rag. So, painting, when I am painting Ni to Ga, ne, I mentioned touch note earlier. Ni, not ni, ni, no. Ni, re, re, ni, re, ga. Ni, re, re, ga. Ni, re, ga. Ga, re. This is rag. This is called sur. When I'll describe rag in Khayal, Thumri, Drupad, then I'll describe it in detail. But this is sur, and this is Srishti. Ni, re, ga, ga, or ga. This is there. But now I'm creating the ga, I'm painting the ga in this way. So, Shuro Srishti, this name is dependent on Indian raga music. In other form of music, it's composed. When the question of understanding of a difference between Western composer and Indian composer will come, I'll explain it again. So, Shuro Srishti, our theme today. And designing and painting on air through music. Designing. To know the raga, you'll have to know the phrases, combination of group of notes. Like in Yaman, the phrases are ni, re, ga. Second phrase, ni, re, sa. Third, ma, da, ni. Fourth, ma, da, pa. It's not ma, da, pa because this is not sur. This is not sur. Ma, da, pa. One small thing I would like to mention here. When we listen to a song, हम क्या बोलते हैं? इस गाने का सुर बहुत अच्छा है, इस गाने का स्वर बहुत अच्छा है. कोई नहीं बोलते हैं इस गाने का सुर बहुत अच्छा है. सुर क्या है? स्वर with special touch of note, swar with special rendering, special thinking, special love, special aesthetical approach to the note. Swar. Swar is lexical, लिखा जाता है निरेगा, निरेसा, madani, madhapa. As I can write, I love you. I know because I love gap you. I know that it's I love you. But I love you for your wife. I love you for your son. I love you for your daughter. I love you for your father. I love you for your friend. I love you for your research fellow. I love you for your long distance friend. Completely every I love you sentence is different. So, phrase Nirega, Niresa, Madhani, Madhapa, or Pa, Pa, Re, Ga, Pa, Re, sir, Pa, Re, Ga, na, Pa, Re, Ga. So touch and sliding or gliding. re, re, re. It's a subject to learn. Just like pa re, it did not help. So pa re. By this soft approach, you will develop your own consciousness of love. Own consciousness to realize love will come from this phrase of a Yaman, Parega. So you will learn music because your sense of love will be reformed, or your sense of love will be realized when you sing তুমি কেমন করে গান করো হে গুণী. This will I discuss when the understanding of lyric and its connection with melody. But these are all interconnected. তুমি 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 কেমন করে গান করো হে গুণী. আমি অবাক হয়ে শুনি, আমি অবাক হয়ে শুনি, কেবল শুনি তুমি কেমন করে গান করো হে গুণী. The lexical part says that this is wrong, but the non-lexical and deep thought says this is the only way to sing. So what to do? This is the difference between theory and practice. Theory says this is right, but at the time of practice we see that theory doesn't have any connection with practice. And this practice of music gives us the realization of our life. Practice of music gives us realization of each education of our life. So, তুমি কেমন করে গান করো হে গুণী. This is notation you will find in the book. And that is also will not give, because তুমি কেমন করে গান করো হে গুণী, আমি অবাক হয়ে শুনি, केवल শুনি তুমি. और कुछ हो, ये गाना नहीं है, ये थ्योरी है. एंड द वे टू किल टैगोर, टैगोर को मारने के लिए काफी है. उनको जिंदा करने के लिए, इनको जिंदा रहने के लिए हमें प्यार चाहिए. उनके लिए याद चाहिए, श्रद्धा मिश्रित याद. For that we'll have to learn music. Music, the best way to live. So designing and painting on air through music. Re pa ma pa ni da ni pa ma pa ni da ni re pa ni da ni ni za re pa ga ma re pa ni da sa ni 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 sa. This is painting. Re pa ma pa ni da ni sa. This is lexical, partly lexical and partially lexical. But re pa completely non-lexical. And sometimes re pa ga. This is deep thought. Not lexical, not even non-lexical. It cannot be taught. So music is a subject, cannot be taught. Then why this academy? To understand and to realize this meaning, the meaning of music, it needs one lifetime. But the taste is not developed because of our selfishness and very narrow vision to earn money, name, fame. Music is not getting the real position what it deserves. That's why academy is there. To make the student understand the meaning of painting, meaning of designing. Re pa ga. It may bring a new design of architecture, and maybe Professor Joyson will one day paint a design of a building with the help of Mia Mallar, with the help of Malkos. Who knows? Who knows? One day this Miyaki Malhar will make a new structure, new design of a building within the IIT campus. Nobody knows. Ni sa pa ga ma re pa ni da ni ma pa ni da ni sa re re ni sa ma pa re ma pa dha ni sa re sa ni pa ni sa pa ga ma sa re ni sa. This is designing and painting. And on air, why on air? Because with the help of our internal breathing, that air, we are painting on atmosphere, atmospheric air. एक अगर कोई आपको कैनवास दिया जाए और ब्रश दिया जाए, you can paint. But what exactly your subject of painting, nobody knows. It starts from darkness. You have an empty page and pen. You don't know what to paint because it's not made to order. This is your own thinking. You are thinking either Tagore or Bankim Chandra or a tree or a river or sunrise. It starts from darkness. So any painting or any creation starts from darkness. So that darkness gives you more space to think, to develop. Am I right? So, first point is designing and painting. Second point is how to develop different genres of Indian music like Khayal, Thumri, etc. I'll give small examples because if I explain all these genres, it will take at least 7 days. I have only 7 into 5, 6, 7 those minutes in my hand. So, Drupad. Drupad composition is composed. Dhruva Pad, like Charana Sukha Charana Sukha Chiranjiva Madho. This composed in Dhamar, Chautar. Dha, dha, din, ta, kat, dha, ge, din. Take, take, kata, ga, di, ge, dha. Charana sukha chiranjiva. Charana sukha chiranjiva. Madho dharana sukha raj karo. Dha dite dha din din ta. Dite dite dha dite din din ta. Dha dhagin dhagit dite kata ga digin dha 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 din ta din 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 ta. Dite 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 dha. बजाओ उसको. हाँ. धा धा दिन धा. बढ़ मत बढ़ाओ. चरण सुख चिरंजीव. चरण
सुख चिरंजीव.
These are alankars of Drupad. We call it Sud. राज करो बंस अदर राजत राज राज चरण
सुख चिरं.
Titakata Gadi Ganesh must be there in the end. You cannot play without Titakata Gadi. Dha dha da din ta din din ta. Dhete dhete dha tete din din ta. Dhete dhagene dhage tete kata gadi gene dha 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 ta din din ta. Tete dhagene dhage din din ta. Tete kata gadi gene dha tete gene dha. Okay, that's okay. Because nowadays the Drupad is a completely almost not in vogue. There are some Drupadiyas, like my younger brother Uday
Uday
Bhavalkar. He is a very good singer. But that Gundichar brothers, one brother has died, passed away, and other brother is having some other problems. So Drupad is not a very good shape or good position in our country. Because always we have given most importance to the technique of the subject. This is Drupad. Why Drupad? Drupad, I cannot change like Charana Sukha Chiranjiva. I cannot say it. It will have to be fixed. Either I sing or you sing or whoever sings. It's a composed song. So that composition is the most important thing. Drupad. Khayal. It's a completely different and having much developed sense of freedom. Khayal means imagination, कल्पना. जैसे मैं बोल रहा था कि एक माउस डिज्नी वर्ल्ड बनाया था, इसी तरह कुछ नोट, कुछ स्वर and their combination makes a rag, and those are ornamented and uniquely thought of and presented through a form of khayal. You have space, but you have law. If I sing Kalavati, Saga Padani da Paga Sa, lexical thing. You can write it down. Sa Shuddha Ga Pak Shuddha Da Komalni Sa Sa Komalni Shuddha Da Paga Sa. But this is not rag. Sa Ga Ga Pa Dha Pa Ga. Phrase Gani Sa Dha Pa Dani Sa Ga Pa Ka Pa Dani Da Sa Sa Ni Sa Ga Sa Ni Da Pa Ga Ni Da Ga Pa Ga Sa. These are the phrases. Sa Ga Pa Dani Da Pa. Now the bandish. In khayal we can sing 3, 4, 5 compositions in one concert. But here I shall give you some example. One is Vilambit, one is Madhyalaya. Vilambit composition is Mera Manhar Rasamata Rangila Chabila. Lyrical part I am not explaining now. Mera Manhar Rasamata Rangila Chabila. Tal is ek tal. Vilambit. Vilambit means din din dage tirgit thun na katta dage tirgit din dada. When you learn ek tal, you learn this. But Vilambit means din, dha, ge, tere, kete, thun, na, or maybe little less than that. Then, dha, ge, tere, kete, then, tere, kete, na, kat, then, dha, tete, dha, dhage, te, re, ke, te, then, te, ke, dha, then. So this is not the time to explain Vilambit Ektal now. But this is Vilambit Ektal. Normally when you listen to any khayal singing of any great musician, he sings either in Ektal or in Jumra, Vilambit. Very often you will, sometimes once a while you will listen to Tintal or Tilwada as well. But 90% of the vocal musicians, they will sing Ektal or Jhumra. And 95% of the instrumental musicians, they will play tabla, Tintal. So, Tintal and Ektal are the basic tals of instrument and vocal music in khayal singing. So, one cycle of Ektal, Vilambit. Mera man छबीला मेरा मन हार. It needs years of practice to have control on this tal and perfect pitch of all the notes in Kalavati and typicalism of typical Gayaki of Kalavati or any rag. This is Brahmit Khayal. But normally what we listen to Khayal is a teen tal composition. Gao. Teen tal gao. पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ दिन दिन नाद के दिन धागे न धा दिन दिन दा.
पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिन पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिन पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिन पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिन
कलन आए जिया घबराए पिया बिरमाए बिरसताए निज दिन कलन
लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिन कलन आए जिया घबराए पिया बिरमाए बिरसताए निज दिन पलन लागी मोरी.
This is Tintal. But Devajit is playing the same tekra. I don't like it. I want to have in each cycle something new. In each cycle something new because it's your arena, your area. It's your home. So beautify your home. That is your responsibility. Normally what happens? Composting da din din da da. Then you will have an aitan pura. By this, play. Palan lagi mori आँखियाँ उन बिना palan
आँखियाँ उन बिना पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिना पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिना पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन
You are also
बिना.
singing. All the time you are trying to new, make some new height. Now, palan lagi mori. This is khayal because I have choice, I have option to create within the framework, within the framework of that composition. Palan lagi mori. Palan lagi mori.
पलन
lagi mori.
पलन लागी मोरी.
Now, palan lagi mori.
पलन लागी मोरी.
Now, palan lagi mori आँखियाँ उन बिना palan lagi. Coming back again to the home. Bagao.
पलन लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिन पलन लागी.
Lagi, palan lagi.
पलन लागी पलन लागी पलन लागी मोरी.
Palan lagi,
लागी मोरी आँखियाँ उन बिन पलन लागी.
lagi mori lagi. Palan lagi.
पलन लागी पलन लागी पलन लागी मोरी.
And developing imagination. Da ni da ba ga ni da. pada baga sada ba da baga baga da ni palana lage
Dani sa ga pa da pa ga sa palana lage mujhe.
pada ni da ni pada ga ba sa ga ni sa palana
Ga sa ga sa ga ni sa da ni pa da ni da pa ga sa palana lage.
sa ba ni ga dha sa pa ga palana
Sa ni da pa pa ga ni sa palana lage.
da ni da ba ga ba da ga sa pa palana lage
Ni sa da ni pa ni da ga pa ga sa palana lage.
sa ba sa pa ga pa pa sa ga sa
Pa sa pa sa pa sa pa ga pa ga pa ga sa pa palana lage.
da ni sa da ni pa ni da ga ba da ga da ba palana
Dani sa da ni pa ni da ga pa.
palana
Dani sa da ni pa ni da ga pa da ga da pa da pa ga sa ni palana.
ga ga pa da ni sa ga ga pa da ni sa ga ga pa da ni sa palana lagi
Ga ga pa da ni sa ga ga pa da ni sa ga ga pa da ni sa palana lage.
now din din na now pa da ga pa da ni da pa da ga pa da ni sa sa da ni pa da ga da pa ga pa ga ga pa ga ga da pa pa ni pa da ga pa pa da da ni sa da ni sa pa pa da ni ga ga pa da sa ga pa ni ni sa ni ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa sa ni ni sa 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 sa. This is what we normally call sawal jawab. This was first introduced by Pandit Ravi Shankar ji. But I call it sawal sawal, not sawal jawab. अगर मैं पूछूं आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं तो मैं क्या बोलूँगा आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं what he was playing or what he is not responsible for that because we always try to copy the form of rhythm produced by the instrumentalist or the vocalist. But if I sing sagabada gada baga sagabada ni then na then na, that is real sawal jawab. Because if I ask where are you going, I'll say I am going to market. आज सुबह क्या ब्रेकफास्ट खाया अरे बोलो मत बहुत अच्छे सैंडविच बनाया था सो गबदनी पानी धनी पदा गबदा गबदा धनी नि सा सा इसका जवाब हो सकता है धिन्ना तिक धिन्ना तिक ना धिन्ना ना धिन्ना ना धिन्ना सो जवाब should be different than sawal. I will ask Puditundi to think about this. Not Puditundi, to all the tabla players. Make it real sawal jawab, not sawal sawal. Because I have sagabada gada baga sagabada gada ba, so you cannot produce these notes on your tabla. You just cannot, because that instrument will not allow you. So you go to the other thought process to make this then na 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 da 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 da. So that is really jawab. I wanted to record it because it will be there on air throughout. So sawal jawab is an interesting part for the listeners because they want to justify that whether this tabla player can produce it, how beautifully he produced the whole thing. It is really very exceptionally good. But what I'm trying to say, that's a different thing. That is real sawal jawab. This is sawal sawal. But it's interesting. It's interesting. So this is a khayal thing. Of course, just a glimpse of that. There are thousands of different things to describe the raga, which I've started recording at Kharagpur IIT from Shruti Nandan. I'm going to keep all these group of ragas in the archive for the whole world who are really interested in understanding and learning raga music, they can do the research work on this 100 Raga initiative which I have started doing from Shruti Nandan. It's a property of our country which will be definitely designed and controlled by both IIT and Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur and Shruti Nandan. So this is Khayal. Now Thumri. Thumri is a ornamented love song. Now, normally Thumri is composed in rag, tal, jat or adha. I'm not going into the deeper aspect of jat or adha. Jat is dha, tek, then, dha, 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 then, ta, tek, then, terekete, dha, 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 then, dha. Don't play anything in between. Or dha, te, re, ke, te, dha, 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 then, ta, te, re, ke, te, dha, tek, dha, 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 then, dha, te, re. This is Sat Matra Jat. This is conceived by late Ustad Barkat Ali Khan Sahab. This is 7 bits Jat. Or Adha, dha, k, dhin, k, dha, dha, k, dhin, dha, k, dhin, k, ta, ta, k, dhin, dha. Dha, k, dhin, k, no, make it slower. Dha, k, dhin, k, dha. I'm singing on Thumri in Jat. In Kafi. Sare ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re. Re ga sa re da ni ga re re. कौन जतन से प्रीत निभाऊं, कौन जतन से प्रीत निभाऊं,
कौन जतन से प्रीत.
Now here the rag kafi is not the most important thing. Here कौन जतन से प्रीत निभाऊं, मैं कैसे मेरा प्यार उनको समझाऊं, किस रीत से मैं उनको समझाऊं कि मैं कितना प्यार उनको करता हूं. नैनन सो नैन मिलाऊं, आंखें से आंखें मिलाऊं, कौन जतन से प्रीत निभाऊं. ये तो हर एक का जिंदगी में होता है, किसी के साथ आंखें मिलाने का इच्छा होता है, मगर कौन जतन से प्रीति निभाऊं. नैनन सो नैन मिलाऊं, तुम हो चंदा दूर गगन की, तुम हो चंदा, तुम तो चांद हो, दूर गगन की चांद हो. किस विधि तोहे रिझाऊं, हाउ आई शैल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कितना प्यार तुमको हम करते हैं. मेरा इतना इच्छा होता है कि तुम्हारा आंखें के साथ आंखें मिलाओ, मगर मौका ही नहीं मिलता है. ये ठुमरी का मेन फोकस है. लिरिक को इसके साथ मैं समझता हूँ कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ लिरिक एंड इट्स कनेक्शन विद मेलोडी, इसको इसके साथ भी समझाया जा सकता है. कौन कौन जतन से, कौन जतन से, कौन जतन से प्रीत। इसी ताल में अगर गाया जाए, एडवांस ट्रेनिंग जब होगा एकेडमी में, then I will discuss it in my next seminar or next workshop, because continuously you will have to have feeding of all these examples. Now, bhajan. Bhajan is a devotional song. Like बन चले, बन चले राम रघुराई और संग, दिस इज कंपोज्ड इन कारवा। बन चले राम रघुराई, बजाओ। बन चले राम रघुराई, धग दिन दादा तेटे धग। डोंट मेक ना, धग दिन दादा तेटे धग दिन नाना तेटे धग दिन दादा तेटे धग। गाओ। बन चले राम रघुराई,
बन चले राम रघुराई,
बन चले राम रघुराई। It's composed in rag Mishra Tilam. Because Thumri, Bhajan, Ghazal, those are Bengali songs or whatever, these are composed in Mishra Rag. And we'll have to remember one thing, that ultimate goal of music is to have peace. प्यार का मतलब समझना। इसमें कितना गामा लगाया, कितना पानी लगाया, कितना मुश्किल से लगाया, कितना मैं किस घराने का हूँ और मैं कितना पंडित हूँ और कितना बड़ा हमारा पद्म भूषण है और पद्म विभूषण है, नो मीनिंग। बन चले राम रघुराई, बन चले, बन चले राम रघुराई। गाओ। बन चले राम रघुराई। अनल बहुत अच्छा गाता है, हमसे भी बहुत अच्छा गाता है। देखिए कितना सुंदर गाएगा।
बन चले, बन चले राम रघुराई,
दादा देते धाग। बन चले, बन चले, बन चले राम रघुराई। Here also understanding of lyric and this connection with melody. अब अगर मैं बोलूं बन चले, it doesn't mean anything. Then बन चले राम रघुराई, बन चले राम रघुराई,
बन चले राम रघुराई।
चले बन चले राम रघुराई।
चले बन चले राम रघुराई।
राम रघुराई।
राम रघुराई। राम रघुराई। बन चले राम रघुराई।
ये जो उन्होंने कंपोज किया, राम रघुराई राम रघुराई, ये composition is coming from the sense of राग। रखो शिक्षक रखो लय ठीक रखो दिन दादा तेरे के धात दिन बन चले राम रघुराई। You see that Ram Raghurai is going in the deeper forest। और क्या है? और संग जानकी माई, साथ में सीता जी भी है, और लक्ष्मण जैसा भाई लक्ष्मण भी है। वो जैसा भाई कितना प्यारा है वो भी है। सी और संग जानकी माई, और
संग जानकी माई,
और संग जानकी माई,
और संग जानकी माई।
जानकी माई जानकी माई। माँ शब्द आई एम ब्रिंगिंग एट मध्यम।
जानकी माई जानकी माई।
जानकी माई और संग जानकी माई। तो आई हैव मेड connection with Kumulda as well। और संग जानकी माई, और संग जानकी माई। और क्या? लक्ष्मण जैसा भाई,
लक्ष्मण जैसा भाई, लक्ष्मण जैसा भाई,
जैसा भाई। लक्ष्मण
जैसा भाई, लक्ष्मण
जैसा
लक्ष्मण जैसा भाई
बन चले। I'm not pushing it again and again because I can sing this song at least for 1 hour, if not 1.5 hours, at least. And one line will not be repeated twice. That credit goes to the rag. If I sing बन चले राम रघुराई, बन चले राम रघुराई, it's of course within the 12 notes area, but it will never make, because those two pillars and as many as pillars which makes the rag powerful, unique, memorable, those are missing here. But in Tilang we have Sapa, Nima, 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 Gani, all the sambas are there. As many fifth note relationship will be there in a rag. The rag will be so much powerful, strengthened. That's why we cannot get any rag better popular than Yaman and Bhairavi. Maximum number of Vad Sambad you will find in Yaman and Bhairavi. So, film song, I just gave you example. Now, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. This is also composed in Khamaj. But nobody knows because all the credit goes to the film and to Kishore Kumar ji. Of course, because he is a genius singer. But Gama pada ni da pa ma pa pa Gama pada ni da pa ma pa sa ni sa sa ga ga ni da 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 ni pa ni da ga ma da ni da pa ma pa. This was not explained by any musician who knows this, because we had always contradiction between classical musician and light musician. So-called classical and raga musicians always paid disregard to those musicians who performed unique songs in film. किशोर कुमार वो लाइट गाते थे. अरे तुमसे नहीं आता है इसीलिए इसको लाइट बोल दिया. लता बहुत अच्छा गाता है, लाइट गाती है, बहुत गाती है, अच्छा बहुत अच्छा गाती है, लाइट गाती है. अरे मेरा एक गाना जैसे लता जी का होगा जिंदगी में, तो फिर ऐसा बात बोलने का क्या ज़रूरत है. जाकिर हुसैन, एक ज़माना था when Zakir Bhai first started playing in with jazz music and other forms, people started criticizing him. वो आज तो जैज बजाने लगे, वो प्योरिटी नहीं रखा है. Even when you people sing, like Kaushiki also sings, all forms of music, because I believe in that. I'm the first person who opened this door. I'm not boasting, but it's a fact that I have.
Actually, not opened, you broke the door.
I broke the door. This typical rule that classical musician will sing only Drupad or Khayal. Of course, okay. Some musician never attempted. That's okay. But I believe that when I'm talking to Satyajit Roy and when I'm talking to Narendra Modi ji or when I'm talking to my मौसी घर में जो रहती है या हमारे घर में जो काम करने के लिए आती है दीदी, उनके साथ भी बहुत आर्टिस्टिकली बात किया जाए, उनके साथ भी श्रद्धा हो, तो they will also understand कि श्रद्धा और प्यार से किसी इंसान को हम खरीद सकते हैं, सब कुछ हमको मिल सकता है. So that attitude also comes from music. That musical बात, वो आदमी बहुत म्यूजिकल है. म्यूजिकल क्या है? क्योंकि वो आदमी बहुत अच्छी तरह बात करता है, बहुत सॉफ्टली हमसे आके मिलते हैं. दैट इज म्यूजिकल. उस आदमी को कभी गाना नहीं आया, मगर वो आदमी म्यूजिकल बन सकता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट point one, Bengali song, because one song in IIT Kharagpur should be there in Bengali at least. So, कौन सा गाना बोलो, कौन गान गाइबे? এই তো সেদিন, the famous song of the all-time great Manna Babu. धा गिनक तिनता तेरे के भाग्य गिनक चिंता. भाग्य गिनक चिंता এই তো সেদিন, এই তো সেদিন, এই তো সেদিন, এই ये गाना मैं मन्ना डी जी को सुनाया था आज से करीब 40 साल पहले. And I sang this composition, keep it very live, very strictly follow करो. इस गाने को मैं 50 minutes उनके सामने गाया था. He was crying because it was his composition and he sang so beautifully. But I just tried to enhance some ideas with the help of raga music because rag is there. Da ni re sa ga 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 ma ga 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 ma ni pa ga रे सा धा नि सा सा. हमारे देश में जो शिक्षा है इसमें किस गाने में कौन सा स्वर किस सुर से लगता है, कौन सा स्वर किस सुर से लगता है, ये कभी नहीं सिखाया गया. This was the problem of all the film singers. This was the problem of all the raga musicians. And that contradiction could not bring out the value of our raga music. Dha ni sa sa ei to shedin. Jor. Can you do it? Yeah. Ei to shedin. কানি জোরে এই তো সেদিন 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 only এই তো সেদিন এই তো সেদিন এই তো সেদিন তুমি আমারে বোঝালে এই তো সেদিন আমারে বোঝালে এই তো সেদিন আমারে বোঝালে আমারে বোঝালে আমারে বোঝালে এই তো সেদিন এই তো সেদিন এই তো সেদিন তুমি আমারে বোঝালে আমার অবুঝ বেদনা আমার অবুঝ বেদনা এই তো সেদিন 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 এই তো সেদিন তুমি আমারে বোঝালে আমার অবুঝ বেদনা দুটি হাত ধরে তুমি আমায় বলেছো দুটি হাত ধরে তুমি আমায় বলেছো দুটি 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 হাত ধরে দুটি হাত ধরে দুটি দুটি হাত ধরে তুমি আমায় বলেছো দুটি হাত ধরে তুমি আমায় দিয়েছো, এ শুধু আমার, তুমি কেঁদো না, এ শুধু আমার, তুমি কেঁদো না, এ শুধু আমার, তুমি কেঁদো না, কেঁদো না, এই তো সেদিন. This is more than sufficient. For example, your song, your theka will have to be more mixed with गाना. वो गाना तुम्हारे साथ और भी मिलना पड़ेगा. लाइट सॉन्ग तुमको सीखना पड़ेगा, गाना पड़ेगा. Because all the students of tabla will also learn singing to develop, to bring that essence of accompaniment. You play excellent tabla. But এই তো সেদিন তুমি আমারে বোঝালে, এটা তোমাকে বোঝাতে হবে by playing tabla. That thing will have to develop. So however, don't think that I am paying any disregard to him. He's like my son. But honesty is the best policy. Truthfulness is the only valuable thing in life. So, any wrong thing done by me will have also to be criticized. That's what exactly I'm doing. So, difference between Western composer and Indian composer. Western composers composes and all the musicians play it excellently. But here, I am 3 in 1. Composer, presenter, and the conductor. এই তো সেদিন. This is the composition composed by Manna Babu. এই তো সেদিন. And how I am singing? Saying এই তো সেদিন. এই তো সেদিন. এই তো সেদিন. And music also will be made by me. Samadha or Pasaga Garimaga Sani Nire Pamaga Sapada Mada Nire Nipasada Mada Pagapa Eito Shedi. So to bring out the essence of singing, you'll have to know how to compose music in between, interlude, how to compose the prelude music to bring out the essence of that singing. So these are the subject to research, to learn. I'm still learning. Come, learn, and sing, and be a great human being through this learning. And understanding of lyric and connection with melody I just explained. And tal system, it's a great thing. Only cyclic timing with particular number of beats makes a tal. But that is lexical. But then, na na din na, tin na tik din na, da gina tuna gina da din da, tin na tik din da, da kudin da da din, gina din na tik din da, da kudin na din da, tin na tin da kudin na din. Tikatin na tikadin din da, tikadin na din da, tin na tikadin. Daganatin na gina dagatikadina gina ginatin na tikadin din da da. Ginatina gina da, ginatin gina da, ginatin gina da din da na. Continuous make the cycle unique. This is the goal of Academy of Classical Music and Folk Music. Folk is the origin, the purest music. But purest music all the time is not very tasty. You have to make it with some masala. कुछ मसाला चाहिए, उसके लिए राग म्यूजिक सीखना पड़ेगा, और राग म्यूजिक प्यार करने वाला म्यूजिक है. So all these things in these 3 sessions I wanted to explain. Earlier sessions were a little shorter, but this session, as it is very advanced approach, so I explained it up to the extent I could, and it will continue. And I think that you will have to believe that this is the best way to live. And I once again thank Kharagpur IIT, its director, and all the professors, deans, and the head of the department of this unique institution, academy, which was made on my request. And I am the luckiest person that, depending on my love and the blessings I am having for last 3, 4, 5 years, starting from Mr. P.P. Chakraborty, to our new director, Mr. I want to make his name with correct pronunciation, Virendra Kumar Tiwari ji. Namaskar, and to all the professors, music-loving listeners, students, you have option to ask me any question. And thank you, Anol, for being there. And thank you, Devjit. I don't know how long I'm going to survive. After that also, Shruti Nandan will be connected with IIT through them. And in every respect, I have the honest intention to come forward to help all the students. Thank you. Namaskar. Bye. Khuda Hafiz.